Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the EasyTournament app. First, download the application from your preferred app store. Once installed, open it and select the new tournament option to begin. You can then choose your desired tournament format, such as a single elimination bracket or a round-robin league. Finally, input the total number of participants, which can be up to 64 individuals or teams, to set up your event. After setting up your tournament, it is time to add participants. You can enter each player or team name manually, or efficiently import a list if you have many entries. Next, assign seeds to ensure fair and competitive matchups throughout the event. The app offers an option to automatically generate seeds, saving you time and effort. Always double-check all participant information before moving forward with your tournament setup. Once participants are set, you can officially start the tournament. The app will generate a complete match schedule for you to follow. As each match concludes, simply enter the scores directly into the application. The bracket or standings will automatically update, reflecting the latest results. This real-time tracking allows you to monitor player statistics and the overall progress of your tournament with ease, keeping everyone informed. Beyond basic management, the EasyTournament app offers advanced customization. You can adjust specific rules, define tiebreaker criteria, and even set custom match durations. Once your tournament concludes, easily share the final results and complete brackets with all participants. For record-keeping or deeper analysis, you can export all tournament data. Additionally, utilize the convenient cloud backup feature to ensure all your valuable tournament information is securely stored.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.